Hi, in this video you will see how to train YOLO V8 and Ultralytics YOLO V8 on custom dataset. So first of all you have to see which model you want to train for your custom dataset. Then you have to see the data structure, which will be dataset guide. Like we are in this video we will discuss YOLO V8, how to run YOLO V8. Then you have to, the most important thing for any model, you have to see dataset guide, which kind of dataset that specific model will be used. Click on the dataset guide, and here you can see that it's explained it will use uh, x center, y center, and width and height, and it must be normalized from 0 to 1. So uh, this in this format, and this will be the XML structure. We will discuss it later. So first of all you need to check the model and which kind of data structure it will be used. Then you have to upload image folder into Kaggle. Let's say I am using Kaggle for fast working, and you know it is easy. I feel it's easy to use it. So you have to upload your folder, images folder. Let's say in my case my image folder like this. You have to make a zip file, and you have to upload that this zip folder in Kaggle. Create a Kaggle account, and here is the option to upload data. Browse file, and let's see dataset, this one. So it will be start uploading. I have already uploaded in the here. See, this is the same folder which you see here, this one, and here images and XML file. So here it is the uh, same set of structure in my folder and here on Kaggle. So there are many codes and uh, for changing annotations format from this format to the required format. Like my format is XML. My dataset format is XML, Pascal VOC XML format. Here you have XML keywords, and these are the value of center x, center y, and width and height. So you have to read this XML file using Python code, and you have to convert this x-axis and y-axis value and width and height value to normalize to the between 0 and 1. So for this, I use this code, importing this library. Then here, this is the folder address where the file is located. So here it is new folder. You have to copy paste it. Okay. Same, you have to copy paste it here, your dataset folder address. Then you have to create a output folder. Like I create this Kaggle working and text folder. It will be created here. After we will run this code, and this on this line it will create this folder. After that I use this method for testing. First of all, I there are 3,500 files in this folder, but first I worked with 100 files, 200 files just for testing. Then I uh, work for all folder, all files. So you can skip this line, and there are other methods which by which you can get all the files from specific folder. So after that I read XML file and JPG file, and from I skip this file because it did not have annotations. So after that you can here read your XML file, and you can create a text file with the base name of your XML file. And after that it start reading the XML file. Here in this code it will open file XML file and read all the XML file content. Here in this variable you can get that content. And after that I check the width and height of these images. Then I it's not necessary. It's something else. In my case there is a problem in my dataset, that's why I use it. And I use this variable for the, like in my dataset it have two kind of images, guns and pistol. So for gun I name the variable 1, and for pistol it will automatically be 0. Then I change annotations to normalize. For normalizing the annotation you can uh, see in detail what is the process of normalizing center x, y and width and height value to 0 and 1. So the basic formula for that is you have to divide center x value by image width and image height. So image dot shape bracket 1 it gives you width, and this value give you height. So after that these values will be stored here in this array b. Then this array will be saved into the, it will be write into the file which we already created here text file which was created. So this, using this line it that text all these values, name variable, here it is name variable x, y, width and height. These values are in normalized, and these values will be saved into the text files, which is the annotation file which will be used for YOLO v8. And then using this code I download that folder. Okay, when we download that folder, it have images, it have files in this format, this one text format. So first it was in the format before it. I show you the first format was this, and after reading this XML file and converting these value into normalized values like this, and the new file will be this one is w1.xml, this file is w1.text file. This file will be used for for YOLO v8 detection, for object detection. Okay, then the here is the upload image folder, then change annotation, then fourth step is download annotation file. Then you have to write XML file and directory structure. So you will get files in this sequence, all file with text or text document with the normalized value, normalized annotation values x, y and with height, center x, center y and width and height. And this one is your class name 0 or 1. In my case there are two classes. Okay, then you have to make a structure for training and train, test and valid data structure. You have to create this folder and this exam YAML file. And in test file, in all folder there will be image folder and label folder. In image folder you have to place images. In test folder there is a formula, like if you have, in my case there are 200 images, so I put 50 images in test folder, 50 in valid folder and 100 in train folder. So if you have 1000 images you have to divide the number of images accordingly. So then the same file label like 101 150, these images are here in this folder, and these annotations and labels